There we go, so I can film a little bit better over here. So I was basically over there before on that walkway. So it looks like they're either doing some drills or lifeguard training or something, I'm not sure. So you can see there's the kids area. You can see the Master Blaster there, it comes right past us here. So if you were on it, you'd be able to see people just on it there, going around it. As you can see, there's a high up there where you can like climb up and go through all the water and funnels and play. Then this bit here is actually a pool, so it is a little bit deeper. It doesn't look like it, but it is a pool. And they've got the lookout up there. And they've got, it's not a sand, it's like a little pretend beachy area. So it is very nice inside. There's loads of things to do, loads of things to look at. And this is basically like their little area now at night time where you can get drinks and the stage and things. So we didn't do this last time because like I said, we didn't come out of the water park. We didn't go in till 5. Oh, it must have shut earlier today. We went in at 5. I'm sure it didn't shut till 8 when we went in. So we came out at like 8 o'clock, had showers and stuff, and then it was like time. I'm going the wrong way now. I'm just about downstairs. Then it was like time to leave, so I'll have a look and see if I can get outside. Okay, so this is the entrance to the water park. So we can go in here. It is only 25 to when they are letting people in. I think you're probably going to be held until you can actually get into the water, but you can actually get in. So this is the little desk here. It's open 10 till 6 today. Oh, the outdoor slides won't be open till 11, it says. So we've got an hour until the outdoor slides open in there. So that's fun. You can enjoy everything else first. Blockers are 20p, or they can give you a token. And then there is like a little ice cream and shop thing there, but it doesn't look like it's open at the minute. Oh yeah, press me for a magical surprise. Plays some crazy music, doesn't it? And then this is the map here. So this shows you everything that's in here. So this is what we're going to try and go for first. Master Blaster, where we can go together. There's Russian Rampage, so there's 2 different sides for that. And then these are the outdoor ones. So as you can see, you actually walk outdoor there, go through a pool, choose 2 different sides, and it leads you into another pool. Then you choose 2 sides again, which takes you down to the bottom. So it's quite fun, isn't it? And then Master Blaster goes all the way around there. So there's loads of things to enjoy. So we're going to head in and we'll try and catch up as soon as we can. Okay, so we are in the water park. Sorry for my ugly face like this looking at it, but you're not allowed to video in here. So I'm just pointing the camera at me. There's only a wall behind me, so I'm not filming anybody. It is now 10:30, so we got in about 22. They let us in to get changed, but then they have a rope, like, sorry, my phone was cut off. So then they have a rope where you're not allowed to go until after 10 o'clock. So they do like a little bit of a thing, like a story, and then they drop the rope and say go. So me and Matilda ran to the Master Blaster, and I know I have put a bit of weight on, but apparently mine and Matilda's combined weight was over 21 stone. He said it was only just over, but because it was over 21 stone, we wasn't allowed to ride together because the limit is 21 stone. He said, if you wait on the side there, I'll get someone to bring you 2 single tubes. So I said, oh, okay then, we'll just wait, that's fine. And for 10 minutes, he said, oh, I'm sorry, all the single tubes are gone, you have to go and get them yourself. I said, okay, so can we just come back up and come straight to the front? He said, you'll have to queue again. So I thought that was really bad. And I said, well, I don't think that's acceptable, that we're at the front. I said, we've got to go back down and queue again. He said, well, it's not my fault you're over the weight limit. And I thought, I spoke to the manager, I just thought it was extremely rude. Like, it's embarrassing enough as it is. And the actual scale that you can weigh yourself on before you go, we couldn't find them. We did try and look. I found them now. They're near all the rubber rings, but they're covered up with rubber rings. So you couldn't even weigh yourself. So the manager was like, no, that's not acceptable. If he said they were going to bring you some, they should have brought you some. They should have waited till 2 people had come off and brought you them back up. So he brought us 2 single ones by himself and took us straight to the front of the queue. So that was good. Matilda has now gone in the lazy river with Anne, but again, I can't film anything in here. We also put our bag and our towels on a table so that we knew that I always had somewhere to come and sit down once it got busier. And they moved all our stuff, and they've moved loads of people's. Apparently you're not allowed to reserve tables. And I said, well, we're not reserving it. I said, we're using it.
it. I said, you know, my husband put the stuff on the table, came and watched me and my daughter and helped us off the slide. Then now I've come to sit down while he's chucking in a lazy river, and then we'll swap again. I said, but there might be times when we're not sat at it, but we are actually using the table. That's why I've got a table. He said, well, if you're not actually actively sat at it, your stuff gets moved. Because I really don't understand that. It's not like I'm reserving the table and like having all day where we never come back to it. It's not like that. I'm not in the food area either. We're just on a little table near the water, so I don't see what's wrong with that. But there's another little information for you. The outdoor slides also don't open till 11 o'clock, so the whole of the outdoor section doesn't open till 11 o'clock. So we've got about half an hour till the outdoor opens. So I'm just going to sit here for a bit while they're in the lazy river, and then we'll see what we want to do when they come back.